Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to count unique values in Excel. So let's open an Excel sheet. Here you can see there are some names and some values which are really duplicates. So how would I find that how many duplicates are there of one name or one number? Or each of them how many times they are repeated. So what you have to do is just click on equals to, write equals to and write count if, put a first bracket, then select, it says to select a range, and then I would select a range here, put a comma, and I would select a criteria. Let's say if I want to see that how many times the name is appeared here, then I would select the first one, that name, and then put close the bracket, and then I would put enter. Here you can see it has been repeated for 3 times. It will be, if you drag it down, it will count that how many times it is repeated. Well, if you just uh, if you delete it and just want to do it in another way, just write count if and put a first bracket, and then select the range again, put a comma, and again select the range. Here you can see and put close the that uh, bracket, click on enter. Here you can see we have got the same result. If you drag it down, and it will show the same result. We can do it for individually and to do it for the whole range again and again. So this is how it works. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye for today.